Hello students, in this video we are going to discuss about law of multiple proportion. See, it is given by John Dalton and the statement is if two elements forms more than one compound between them, then the ratio of the masses of second element, second element which combine with the fixed mass of the first element will always be the ratio of small whole number. Okay, so this is the statement. What is the meaning of this statement? Let's take an example to understand. Suppose we are taking carbon and oxygen. When carbon and oxygen combines together, see two elements form and they are making more than one compound. They form more than one compound. The first one they form carbon monoxide and the second one they form carbon dioxide. Okay. Another example you can say sulfur and oxygen. They form more than two compounds, sulfur monoxide, sulfur dioxide and sulfur trioxide. So see here, forms more than one compound between them, then the ratio of the masses of second element. So here we will talk only about the second element, oxygen here, which combine with the fixed mass of the first element. So the scene is they are combining with a fixed mass of the first element. So you can see C, C and S, S, S sulfur, and will always be the ratio of the small whole number. So now we will take the ratio of carbon and oxygen, the mass of carbon and oxygen here first. So the mass of carbon is 12 and oxygen is 16. So 12 is to 16. Here carbon 12 is to 2 oxygen atoms, so 16 into 2, 32. So here you can see the mass of the first element, which is carbon here, is fixed always 12 and 12. Here you can see the mass of sulfur and oxygen ratio will be sulfur mass is 32 and oxygen is 16. Here 32 is to O2, that means 16 into 2, 32. Here you can see 32 which is of sulfur and O3, that means 16 into 3, 48. So here also you can see the mass of first element is fixed always in every compound. Here in all compound the mass of first element is same. Now we will talk about the second element which combined with the fixed mass of the first element will always be the ratio of the small whole number. Now we will talk about the ratio of second element. So oxygen and oxygen in both the compounds. So ratio of oxygen here 16, here 32. So you can say 1 is to 2. So ratio will be 1 is to 2 here. That is a small whole number. Here you can see the ratio of oxygen and oxygen in all compound. It would be 1 is to 2 is to 3. So it would be 1 is to 2 is to 3. So this ratio is also a small whole number. So now you can understand, if we are taking two substances and if they are forming more than one compound, and the second element which combined with a fixed mass of the first element, you can see 12 and 12 fixed mass of the first element, here 32, 32, 32, and if they combine with the first element which have the fixed mass, then the ratio of the second element, mass of the second element will be always in the small whole number, 1 ratio 2, 1 is to 2, 1 is to 2 is to 3. It is the ratio of a small whole number. So it is the law of multiple proportion. I hope it's clear. Thank you.